Tied up to this world. Tied up to this world. Tied up to this world. They set the rules, we know there's no excuse to go along with the choice of a fool. Shit's king, will be the sun. Last night, I wonder why the truth night behind closed minds and I've been drowning in the darkest night, blaming ignorance and hypocrites, swimming in thick blood, tied up to this wall. Every act will get harder, but I can't move on and on and on before my time is gone. And turn to sleep or forget my sins. Society, this full of shit. I don't want it wrong, I will never get back. Swimming in thick blood, tied up to this wall. Every apple gets harder, but I gotta move on.